Hi all, my name is Raj from RCE. Today I'm going to explain about M5 Smart Band inside components. If something goes wrong, or in other words, if it is not working, then how to rectify it by yourself. You may replace the component or repair it, or even understand whether it is repairable or not. So we will take all possible questions and explain about step by step. So you can see an M5 band is on my desk. We will open it and then see what all components it has. So let us zoom in on the desk to open M5 band. Hope my screen is now very clearly visible. Here is the M5 band. How to operate M5 band? I mean charging, setup application, correct date and time. We already explained in our previous video. You can see the link of that video in the description box. Now we're going to explain about inside of M5 band. To understand M5 band, let us remove the strap first. If you see closely, it is fixed at the glass screen part. You may not be directly remove it because it is IP67 water compliant. To open M5 band, you require little bit of slow and easy make way at all these places. It may take 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or you can also use hot air gun or hot air blower like hair dryer or any other thing. Make it little hot because glue will become little bit soft, which helps in terms of opening. You may use smaller screwdrivers. So you may see that there is a space at this place. Try to press it. It will go above. May take little bit time and it will go above. So once this is open, remove the glass gently. Before removing the glass, I just wanted to explain that there is a touch button. And if you see below that, there is a push button, metal push button, which makes menus move from one to other. Sometimes some smartwatches starts giving the problem, like my touch button is not working. It is not about the glass, it is not functioning. It is all about the space between glass and the button. If it is more and not able to push it, then this touch button will not work. Or if it is pushed too much and there is no more scope to press up and down. So adjust the glass little, it will start working. Below the glass LED screen, there is a board. This is also called system on chip. One entire board has the all possible components, right from ROM to processor, Bluetooth chip and all other things in the same board, and it is connected with a thin strip of with LED screen. See, this is the strip. So if your LED screen has gone bad, there is no chance of reviving it unless you are very well aware of this strip. This strip is not available anywhere. If it has gone bad, you need to replace that entire component, right from the glass strip and the board. All three things you need to replace it. See, this strip is soldered on the board. This side, this is HS6620 chip, which is manufactured in South Korea. Rest all are small components, various component I would say. There is no point explaining it because you may not be able to replace anyone. Other side of the smart band, this is the battery. Most of the smart bands has 35 mAh battery or by max 55 mAh battery. This battery makes a lot of difference. You may get 200 mAh battery of the same size, and that is where the difference in terms of quality and duration of the smartwatch comes. If your battery has gone bad, just open the smart band gently, cut the wires from here, black and red, change the battery. This battery is available in electronics or electrical market very easily. 3.7 volt battery, and this is lithium ion battery which is easily available. Just make sure that the battery which you are replacing should be 3.7 volt. Rest all things are same. There is no change at all. There is no specific understanding other than the voltage. This is a vibrator button, and this is the sensor board which is connected to the board with the strip. This can be removable, which reads blood pressure and all other statistics through light. So this is all about smart band of M5 inside. If you remember, we have shown M4 band also from inside. There is no much difference from M5 to M4 other than the box. It has the magnetic charging points. See, there's a small magnet, and this board chip. Rest all components are more or less same. There's no change at all. This is the battery terminal which is touching the other side of plus and minus. So if your smart band has gone bad, simple. Battery, if it is not working, you can replace. Vibrator, it is not working, you can replace easily because there are two wire, red and blue, going and shoulder on the board. If sensor board is not working, you can still replace. Remove this strip from the board and change it. But if anything goes wrong on LED screen or board or software which is stored in ROM, there is no point replacing the board because board and LED is the main component and that can't be replaceable. Other than that, you can change everything. So this is about M5 band. Hope you like the video. Do write to us if you have any query regarding M5 band. We will try to address as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.